If you've inherited a house in Bowling Green, Ohio, or you have a house in Bowling Green that's going through the probate process, this video is for you. My name is Dave Perigin, and for over 14 years, we've been buying houses in and around Bowling Green, Ohio, and my team and I has met many people who inherits the property. So we're very familiar with this process, and we also understand that sometimes this process can be confusing. There can be a lot of paperwork involved. Sometimes there's attorneys and courts and whatnot. And the last thing we're ever going to do is make things more complicated for you. One of our core values as a company is KISS. It's to keep it super simple. And the way we're going to make it simple for you to sell the property is we're going to buy the property in its as-is condition. So what that means is you never need to fix anything, you don't need to clean, and you don't need to haul anything away. Typically, the conversation with you, the seller of the inherited property in Bowling Green, goes, you can take anything you want out of the property, any family belongings or personal belongings or family heirlooms and collectibles, anything that you want. Anything that you don't want or don't need, you simply could leave behind and we'll take care of it for you. And you're never going to be expected to contribute money for repairs or credits or anything like that. And what allows us to buy these houses in their as-is condition is we're going to buy the property for cash. So there's no third-party approval. This is not like a traditional buyer that's working with a mortgage company or working with a mortgage lender. Those buyers and those lenders, they're going to send through a formal appraisal and a formal inspection. They're going to nitpick the house, and then maybe the lender will approve it, and maybe the lender will close. And it leaves a lot of room for error. It leaves a lot of hoops for you to jump through, a lot of different people trekking through the house, and all of that is very avoidable. So we buy houses in their as-is condition, and that also means we can close on the date that you choose. So if you want or need to close quickly on the Bowling Green house, great, just let us know. We could accommodate your needs. If you need something more flexible or there's other family members involved or whatever the case may be, we absolutely could accommodate your needs that way as well. If you need speed or flexibility, we're here for you. So if you have a house in Bowling Green that you've inherited, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. I know it says Columbus in the website, but we're very actively buying properties in Bowling Green, Ohio, very familiar with all of Toledo and actually all over the whole entire state of Ohio. We were just founded in Columbus, and that's why the name stuck. So when we get on the phone, it's a very simple conversation with you. And what that means is we're going to just need to know more information about the house and know more information about your closing timeline, but there's never going to be any added pressure. It's not sales tactics. We're going to treat you like a neighbor because that's exactly what we are. We're here in Ohio, and we're not some call center and located in some foreign distant land who's talking about your house in Bowling Green and, we're looking at numbers on a screen. Here, we're local. We'll meet you face to face if we need to, and anything that you need us to do, if we need to communicate with the court, if we need to communicate with your attorney, or if they're even involved or other family members, anything that you need, we're here to accommodate. We're very experienced at doing this, and we have hundreds of testimonials and references and reviews as well. So if you've inherited a property in Bowling Green, or if you have a property in Bowling Green, Ohio that's going through the probate process, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perigin. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.